सदैव खुश रहो। दिस इज JBN डॉक्टर ब्रजराज सिंह चौहान, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ FEM. प्रोग्राम इज BSc B.Ed PCM 5th Sem and course is multivariate calculus and vector differentiation. And session of today is numerical problem on the change of variable. So we are knowing well about the process of how to change the order of integration during the solving the problem. In the process of double integration, it is sometimes very difficult to integrate them directly. In such a case, it may be convenient to interchange the order of integration. So by owing these lines, sometime it is very difficult to integrate, so we have to change the order of integration. Then you can easily find the solution of the problem. So problem is given in front of you, that is change the order of integration in the double integral given here 0 to infinite limit of x and x to infinite limit of y e to the power minus y upon y dx dy, and hence find the value. The limit of integration are given by the straight lines y is equal to x to y is equal to infinite. It is limit of y is equal to x to infinite, then y is equal to x to y is equal to infinite. Hence this line y is equal to x is represent in this figure. Y is equal to x line we can draw, and then y is equal to infinite. So the area above the y is equal to x and line x is equal to 0 open infinitely. In the same way, limit of x is equal to 0 to x is equal to infinite. Again x is equal to 0 to x is equal to infinite. So above the open area which is open and extend up to infinite, in the figure you can see it is the area of infinity above the figure. So and infinite boundary of this area, hence taking the strip parallel to x-axis. First of all, taking the strip parallel to the x-axis. So x-axis, this strip is varies from y is equal to 0 to y is equal to infinite. Parallel to x-axis, the limit of y are from 0 to infinite. Hence, changing the order of integration, we have given 0 to infinite, x to infinite e to the power minus y upon y dx dy is equal to 0 to infinite 0 to y e to the power minus y upon y dy dx. So integrate this with respect to y, we get e to the power minus y with respect to x. First of all, it is integrate with respect to x, and after changing the limit was 0 to infinite and 0 to y, limit of x is equal to 0 to y. If strip is changed, then the integration becomes 0 to infinite 0 to y e to the power minus y upon y dy dx. First of all, this is integrating with respect to x, we got e to the power minus y upon y into x, and lower and upper limit when we substitute in this expression, it gives at the place of x we put the y, then it become y, and putting the 0, then it becomes 0, so y minus 0 is again y. Then putting the value of this 0 to infinite e to the power minus y upon y into y, y and y is cancel out, then it is only e to the power minus y dy. Then again integrating it, and it gives e to the power minus y upon minus 1. Putting the lower limit and upper limit, when we put e to the power minus infinite, then it become 1 upon e to the power plus infinite, and it becomes 0. Minus e to the power minus 0, that is e to the power 0, and it become 1. So minus 1 is equal to again plus 1. So this is the solution of this problem of change of order of integration. After changing of order of integration, it is very easily solved and find the value of integration. Hence I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you very much.